called Mera Bharat Mahan. Lot of work is in progress as regards to understanding Indian heritage and culture. In those times, I feel that it is important for us to understand the good practices of India, the old history. Many things scientifically have been proved, given by India to scientific community, and on the backdrop of this, and the new normal being instilled because of the pandemic COVID-19. It's important for all of us to understand the history of India, Indian heritage, uh, and the contributions of Indian old scientists. Similarly, some good practices of yoga, meditation, which gives the human life, which makes the human life better. And on this backdrop, I feel it's important for all of us to understand Mera Bharat Mahan. मेरा भारत महान था, है और रहेगा. And on this, I would definitely congratulate the Voice Club of this college students for arranging this very important function. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence here and guiding us all the way through every activity that we conduct in the Voice Club and SGGS IENT. So now today we are having a very special guest, Mr. Anand Munshi sir, and will be talking with us very soon. Before that, I would like to request Mr. Rupesh Patil. So Rupesh Patil is a fourth year information and technology student. He'll be introducing Mr. Anand Munshi sir briefly. So I would like to request Rupesh Patil to introduce sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you, Bhargav, and good morning to one and all. On this occasion of 15th August, Independence Day, we have the auspicious presence of Mr. Anand Munshi sir. So before we begin the seminar, I would like to take this opportunity to briefly introduce sir to all the audience. So Mr. Anand Munshi sir is a top motivational speaker in India, and he's like a TED speaker and a corporate trainee in various Fortune 500 companies. He's the author of as many as 3 books on peak performance. And the articles and writings are read by over 1 million readers every day. He has transformed many lives, and with his 18 plus years of corporate experience, he has delivered 1,000 plus trainings and seminars. So there are many more achievements, but due to time constraint, I will not be able to share all. So without any further delay, I would request Mr. Anand Munshi sir to kindly begin the seminar. Yes.
Hello, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
All right. I welcome all of you, respected director, principal, teachers, students, my dear friends. This is a wonderful opportunity for all of us. Today is the 15th of August. This is the day we got our independence. Can anybody tell me what is the difference between freedom and independence? I asked this question in the end as well. So just to keep you thinking, okay? This is fantastic opportunity. I was told we have very limited time, so I will like to be very quick, up to the point, and get the best out of us. Okay, So welcome all of you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop that questions into the chat box, and in the end we will take it. All right. And I will be also interacting with all of you as we keep on going. Bhargav ji, may I request if they want to speak in between, they can do that. So please allow them to do it. And they should be also able to chat. Okay. The text chat. All right. Quickly. See, Mera Bharat Mahan. This phrase has got three very important things. Mera, mine, not yours, not anyone else. This is mine. Ye mera hai. Mera Bharat, and the thing is Mahan. So rather than thinking it from very patriotic point of view, this is thinking it from very, what I call as a way to exhibit our interest. We will like to take a very factual approach. And I like to give a very simple example how we can demonstrate this. The very first thing I want to tell you is, few years back when I was in London, I was visiting the museums. Okay, in the museum, I was spotting different things. It was very nicely arranged and other things. As I was going through, I suddenly realized that there is a school group has come. And this school students were approximately around 10 to 12 years of age. They are guided and they are protected by the teachers. So wherever they go, where the artifacts are there, they start to display the things and they start to tell what this is all about. And I just thought to wait a moment just to listen to what they are talking about. And I was amazed by one thing what they have told. The teacher has told one thing to the student that has caught my immediate attention. And the teacher said, look at this sword. Ye talwar dekhiye. Look at this sword. The Britishers, we have conquered this from India. We have conquered this from India. Guys, this feeling brings a lot of positivity in the minds of the British students. They're saying they have conquered. So if you love your country, that brings a lot of positive pride. And there is nothing wrong to take pride, the place we come from, the culture, the heritage, the values that you carry from there. It has got nothing wrong in it. But today's session is much more factual and much more meaningful for you who are in the first year, second year, third year, final year of their studies, looking to start with different experiments in their life, looking to get the best out of their life. They are there to do so many things with their personal life, professional life, and want to create an impact so that they can do well in terms of their positivity. All right. So we will take one thing at a time. I don't know if you know this. There was one economist from Belgium. His name was Paul Bezos. He has done wonderful analysis. And what he said, that thousands of years back, India was contributing around 32% of GDP. Okay, 32% of the world GDP was coming from India. As they moved on, when it moved to 1800, it came to 27%. As it moves to the close of 1850, it moved to 16%. And by the time it reached the 19th century, that's the time where British are really gripped on us. It just became the 1%. So if you think that India is poor or India was poor, it was not like this. We have reached this point because of some miscalculations and some wrong decisions. We as a youth have to understand India consists of big potential, and we will demonstrate this through some facts and figures that we are known for a value contributor to the world. Okay, and this is how we're gonna do this. And especially this is for youth who have got big challenge, big time, big opportunity to come out of their comfort zone and start to lead a meaningful life. Okay, so without wasting any time, I want to give you one more example. A few years back, one of my friends was in US and he was a part of one school curriculum activity. The studies were conducted, and this medical profession people, they are looking for a person with certain criteria in his life because they wanted to do a research on that person. And they are happy that this person will come for 9 hours every day for sleeping. And that has to go for 1 week. And for that, they will pay $2,000. The conditions were very, very simple. The conditions were very, very simple. Number one, The person should not take intoxication. That's number one. Number two, they should have a peaceful life. Number three, they should not have any depression related issues. Number four, they should not be taking any drugs or alcohol. These are certain simple things that we can expect that people will do it. And to their surprise and to our surprise, this medical research team could not find even a single person for months. For months. Ultimately, they have to increase the money that they are being offering. It reached to 3,000, 4,000, up to 10,000 for a week time. And you will be amazed that it was only Indians who are eligible to fit into that criteria. Guys, India is catching up with the Western culture. I want to make a point. A very large number of people in India, very high percentage of India are still not intoxicated. Generally, we don't have any issues of depression or anxieties. We are not on drugs. This is the beauty, and a large part of this, it comes from our contribution to the world. We are known to add value. I want to give you one more example. And this is again coming from the West, because we try to copy and we try to imbibe. If there is one thing that is happening all over the world, and if there is a job that has to be done, the first preference for the Westerners is Indian. Indian is the one who will do this. Why? Because the Indians are having relatively stable marriage life. That's number one. Number two, Indians are known to commit. Number three, they are not very much prone to alcohol. Guys, in India, as I mentioned, the things are catching up. We also try to understand how we can get the best of ourselves. I'm trying to give how the values of India is being nourished. And I want to give you one more example that will really tell you what this is all about. When Britishers came to India, they were surprised by two things. दो चीज उन्होंने बहुत सरप्राइज करी. They are surprised by two things. Wherever they go, the education was free of cost, because Gurukuls were everywhere. The children from rich and poor, they can go to Gurukul and they can learn anything under sun. Science, biology, mathematics, arts, chivalry, military arts, physiology, anything that they can learn. And it was free of cost. And that's what puzzled the Britishers. How could education be free? This is such a cash cow for us. They are amazed. They are surprised. They are stunned. And second thing what amazed them is the food is free. So if you are a stranger to one new city, and if you are like a passenger, if you are looking for a food, there are so many places where you can go eat free of cost. This is the beauty of our country. And Britishers thought, if we have to rule this country, we have to understand what is the bondage, what is so good about them that they cannot come out of it. They invited Max Muller, who is really a psychiatrist, philosopher, everything he was done. And he tried to understand the things. What he said is very simple. This country is very strongly, deeply rooted to the spiritual values. Until and unless we don't cut it, we cannot rule over them. So Max Muller got busy defaming the scriptures, putting them down, trying to cut them away, trying to divert the attention of Indians from the scriptures so that the Britishers can come into the scene. And that is exactly what happened. But later on, Max Muller, when he was on his deathbed, he repented a lot. He said, I wasted so much time. I did such horrible things, tried to defame such the divine knowledge. And now I'm paying the price. Next life, if I'm coming, I really like to take birth in India, where I want to learn these scriptures. Guys, India was not poor. India was rich. India was super rich. We should take a lot of pride and value. I really want to take and understand and see the audience here. So let me get a few things about things. Fantastic. She has sent a message. That's very nice. Okay. I just want to quickly understand, and this will take only 1 minute of your time. Please tell me which city you come from. Are you all from Nanded, or you are coming from a different city and places? Just drop that simple things into that message box. Okay. So Mayur, are you the only one who will be writing? I don't know if all of them are allowed to do the text. Chandrapur, okay. Parbhani, very nice. Aurangabad, fantastic. I can't hear any voice. Jalna, Nagpur, Pune, fantastic. Nanded, Akola, Parbhani, Nandurbar, Nanded, very nice. Looks like you're covering the whole Maharashtra. Very nice. Ahmednagar, fantastic. Solapur, Latur, fantastic. Thank you very much. And also, what is your age? Please, quickly, just write that number. 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you want to, 19, 20, 22. Fantastic, 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 fantastic. Very good. Keep going, keep going, going. All right, maybe a few more seconds. Friday night, 19, 19, 20, 22. Sangli, 18. Fantastic. 29. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Guys, one more thing. If you don't know, India is the youngest country in the world. A huge percentage of India's population is under 30 years of age. And according to one state, as much as 65 to 70% of India's population is less than 35 years of age. The median age of India is 28. I'm happy to be corrected. That's what I heard long back. It means 50% of India's population is less than 27 and 50% is more than 27. It is such a shocking thing because in the countries like Japan, Japan, Germany, France, the population is aging and the median has gone way above 60. It means the population is no more younger. They're looking for bright, talented people. And this is where we can get into the place. Guys, I want to tell you one more thing. The most important thing about the education system that we are doing here is India has got as many as around 8 to 10,000 proper universities, around 50,000 schools and colleges where students from different walks of life, they come there to empower themselves to lead a life filled with values, substance, personal growth, professional growth. Now, my question for you is, what is your definition of Bharat? All right, what is your definition of Mera Bharat Mahan? Just I want to see one adjective from your side. One adjective from your side. And to start with, I will say, मेरा भारत महान. मेरा भारत महान की डेफिनेशन ये है जो मैं लिख रहा हूं अभी. ओके, मेरा भारत महान की मेरी डेफिनेशन है self-reliant and to some extent innovative. Because almost 70,000 students born each day, population of India outnumbers the whole Western Hemisphere. Fantastic. Thank you, Shreyas. Smart, complete. I focus on the question, please. I want to understand what is your definition? What is that one thing you want to see in your India? And what is that? Unity in diversity, complete. Okay. All right. I appreciate if more and more students can participate in this. Guys, we will be finishing it very quickly. So just, I want more and more people to come to this one. Competitive, okay. What about innovative? Innovation, spiritual hub of the world. Very nice, fantastic. Okay, youth power, fantastic. I mean, that's very good. Okay, what else? Self-sufficient. Thank you, Rupesh. Very nice. Okay, what else? Quick. आपकी क्या परिभाषा है भारत का एक ऐसी कौन सी चीज आप जो चाहते हैं कि आप वो करें व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू वांट टू डेवलप इन दिस वन व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग value education of India, very good, fantastic, thank you very much. All right guys, so okay, coming back to the point, Mera Bharat Mahan, 15th of August, I'm talking to the youth. Guys, recently a study was done. We are heavily depending on import from the Western countries, especially from the neighboring countries as well. A huge part of this, it comes from only 327 things. So if we can focus improving the quality, reducing the prices, improving the productivity, the huge thing we can become, and that is my definition of self-reliant. So I expect you to do this. And how to do this? This is something that is happening. Thank you very much. Atmanirbhar. That is very, very nice that we are seeing it there. Okay, just a second. Okay, am my screen visible to all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get started now. This is such a wonderful thing. Now, let me give a simple example here. There was one very, very famous politician in the Western country. And one time the rivers all over that country was flooding like anything. It was in America. The rivers were flooding around and everything was going from one place to another. We have no option other than left. So people were started moving to the safer locations. And the people, they're using all their resources, their money, their power to move to the safer places. Once there was this old man. He had no money, no power, no resources, but he was looking to locate to a safe place. He was looking for some help, and he was at the banks of the river and looking to cross the river and move to the safer place. This person was looking for help, and suddenly he spotted a person who was very strongly built. After looking at other people, he thought, okay, this person may be able to help me. And he said, would you like to please carry me on the back of your shoulder to the other part of the river? And this person happily agreed. As he reached the other side of the river, this person put him down and this old person said, thank you very much. As he started walking, the people around him chased this old man and said, is this the only person left in the whole universe for you to do this job? Do you know who is he? And this old man has got no clue. He said, who is he? He said, his name is Thomas Jefferson. He is the president of America. And this farmer or this old man said, I have no clue. All I saw is the yes man looked on his face. This person has got the yes written on his face. Now, my question for you guys, this is the India of opportunity of growth. Is there a young man? Is that a yes man? Are you that yes man? Are you that yes man who can help India to go from more and more responsibilities? All right, guys, I'm sure some of you know the Pythagoras theorem. Some of you would know the Leibniz series. Some of you know different things. To your surprise, these discoveries, these inventions were already done long back, 100, 200, 300 years back. So India has got a very strong hold on mathematics. India has got strong hold on different scientific subjects. Once Albert Einstein said, we owe a lot to a country called India. We owe a lot to India because that's where we learn to count. He also commented on Bhagavad Gita that I'm so surprised and so amazed to see how the world has been created by God. Once Albert Einstein was very, very busy, and that shows the power of this person. He was trying to put the theory of relativity. So after a few days of work, few years of work, he started working on something. And then later on, he moved to the point where he came up with a general, the theory of relativity. This was not general. And he worked again and again to come up with a general theory of relativity, no specialized thing. And he was amazed to tell others, when the answers are coming simple, it is God who is helping me. Albert Einstein says, I'm trying to understand the mind of God. And the beauty of our country, the way we call our Bharat, Mera Bharat Mahan, it is not because that we keep on exporting the software engineers to the outside world. That is just a small portion of our greatness. The biggest thing, the biggest virtue that we have got is because of our spiritual piety. And it is so unfortunate in this day and age, it was overshadowed by the Western philosophy, and we have no clue whatsoever how we can revive our own consciousness. So the remaining part of the session, I will try to give you simple techniques and method where you can recreate your own persona and you start to develop your own value system. And why you will take a lot of pride in saying Mera Bharat Mahan. Please understand, I mentioned this before, this has got nothing to do with the patriotism. These are the factual things. And once you are pride, once you are filled with pride about your own nation, about your country, that brings a lot of integrity and substance to us. So this is something that we all want to take from here to the next level. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, now let me ask one quick question. And Bhargav or other people, if you can unmute people when they can speak, that will be nice. I want to give you 30 seconds. Please tell me what is the best thing you are looking at this place. Am I screen visible to you guys?
Yes, sir. We are able to see the "You are in an unforgiving world," that slide.
All right. So please tell me anyone who can tell me what is the best thing they can get from here. Okay. Rupesh, Bhargav, are the people allowed to speak?
Yes, sir. They can unmute themselves.
Okay. All right. And let me look at the notes here, the chat that is coming. Sorry, who is that? आप थोड़ा माइक के पास में आएंगे. Can you please come close to the mic? Can anybody tell me what this person is saying? Okay. Are there any other person? Rupesh and Sushil, Mosam, Gaurav, Priyanka, anyone, please tell me what you can learn from this particular slide. Kunal, Sneha, Shubhangi, Shreyas, anyone? All right, so let's move on quickly.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Sorry, who is this?
Shreyas Raibole it is.
थोड़ा आवाज जोर से बोलिए प्लीज, आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
I am Shreyas Raibole. Can you hear me now?
हाँ, अभी आवाज आ रही, बोलिए.
Sir, so from this slide, all you can say is the importance of teamwork, because in such kind of sport, if you work with the team,
oh, very nice,
only then you can succeed. But if you work individually, your boat can not reach any of the destination which you desire to reach.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Anyone else? Rupali, Rutuja, Akshay, Pratik.
So, hello, sir. The group of the people in the boat are trying to learn the driving the boat. Rather than there are so many changes in the flow of the stream.
अरे ठीक है, पहले आपका नाम बताइए, कहाँ से आप, क्या नाम है आपका?
Sir, Abhijit here from Pune.
Okay.
Yeah. So, though the rate of change of the stream or the flow is so rigorous there, but they are trying so hard to learn the drive boat in that stream.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. What else? Rupali, Rutuja, Akshay, जरा और लोग participate करिए guys. Come on. Let's do this. नींद तो नहीं आ रही आपको? आज तो आजादी मिली, आज तो खेलने कूदने का मौका. जल्दी बताइए. Rupali, Rutuja, who all are there? Prashant, Damodar, Krishnakant, Mayur, Samir, anyone else? Tejasvi, Vishnu, Gauri. Guys, come on. और कोई बोलना चाहेगा कि स्लाइड में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? मैं आपको एक क्लू देता हूँ.
हेलो सर.
यस, क्या नाम है आपका?
हेलो, माय नेम इज ऋतुराज सर. आई एम फ्रॉम सांगली.
ओके, बोलिए ये स्लाइड के बारे में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या लग रहा है?
हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी सर?
यस, आवाज आ रही है आपकी.
स्लाइड के बारे में मेरे को कितनी भी बड़ी मुश्किल अगर सामने होंगी, अपन लर्न कर सकते हो. मुश्किल से कुछ ना कुछ अपन लर्न कर सकते, और लर्निंग के हिसाब से वो मुश्किल अपने को छोटे ही लगते जाएगी आगे.
बहुत ही बढ़िया, वेल डन, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड. आपका नाम क्या है?
जितना आप लर्न करेंगे उतनी मुश्किलें छोटी पड़ जाएंगी.
वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू. इस स्लाइड में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि रेट ऑफ लर्निंग आपका ज्यादा होना चाहिए रेट ऑफ चेंज से। अगर कोरोना आए या इसके बाद में कोई भी त्रासदी आए, इफ वी आर वर्किंग एज ए टीम, if we know what are changes happening, and if we try to improve our rate of learning greater than the rate of change, then the things will start to be fantastic. Because in today's world, it is all about learning. If you want to earn, you have to put L in front of it. That's about learning. And your rate of learning should be greater than the rate of change that you want to see in this world. So I must tell you, rate of change is such an important concept. And where you can do this, there are three things: communication, aptitude, and technology. These are the three things that will make you great. And once you are great, Mera Bharat Mahan will come to the point. More and more people could not communicate because of poor confidence. They cannot come out because they have low aptitude, because they just cannot match up with the technology. So your rate of learning on these three aspects, that has to be improved. Okay. So Mera Bharat Mahan is a result if you keep on doing great things. That is how the things will start working on your life. Okay guys, here it is, the early course correction. How many of you know that many diseases? आपको 3 की pi की value पता है कि नहीं पता है? You will be surprised. India's contribution to the world is, again, India has given pi. The value of pi given to the world is by India. The recent people, they have hijacked us and they have taken the credit. My suggestion for you, my request for you is, guys, keep on improving your own performance. Keep on improving the early course correction. Now, what is early course correction? I tell you one thing, okay? And this is such an important thing. We are lack of time. I will be very quick here. I invite all of you to do 180-day challenge. 180-day challenge. 180 दिनों का चैलेंज. अब ये क्या होता है? 6 month challenge. Find 3 things in your personal life, professional life, academic, I don't know, that you will focus 100% to improve in these 3 areas. Okay. If you think your communication skill is low, if you think that you cannot put yourself competently, if you want to improve your technical knowledge, if you think you want to work on your health, if you want to take more and more courses, find 3 things and spend 4 hours every day. 3 things and 4 hours every day. Do this for next 6 months, and I promise, I guarantee, you will be on the top ladder in your field, in your location. Not many people are committing to it. In psychological terms, this is known as deep thinking or deep learning or flow. The moment you start into the flow, the moment, okay, Rutuja has raised hand. Rutuja, you have a question? Hello? Can you guys all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So I was talking about 180-day challenge. You have to focus on 3 skills for 4 hours every day for next 6 months. That is 180 days. 180 day multiplied by 4 hours. That is 720. Okay. If you work for 720, you will be at the top end of your ladder. This is where the flow will come. When Bill Gates has to work on his operating system DOS, he closed himself for 6 weeks and started writing code. Guys, my suggestion for you is very simple, and I want to tell you a small story from Albert Einstein's life. Albert Einstein, when he was just 5 years of age, he was given a gift of magnetic compass from his father. Looking at it, he was so happy and surprised and stunned. Every time he changed the direction of it, the magnetic needle was always pointing in north-south direction. Every time. He was perplexed, he was amazed, he was positively surprised. He wanted to find out why it is doing it. Albert Einstein spent all his life just finding 2 things: why, and then explaining it how. That's it. That's it. And it is said for days and weeks and months, Albert Einstein used to play with it. It was his most treasured toy. Now, I'm sure most of you would remember when you got your first magnetic needle. How much time you spent on it? 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute? Albert Einstein spent 70 years with that particular needle. when he was last day, he could not walk. He barely walked from his bed, and he reached to the platform and he tried to improve his knowledge of the forced field, something that he started working when he was just 6 years of age. So for next 70 years, he was just thinking one thing, the forced field equations. And understanding that one thing, he could accomplish so many things. He used to famously say, I am not genius, I am not great. I just have patience to stay with problem little longer. So today I want to challenge you, invite you and come you and take you out of your comfort zone. And I want to challenge you one thing, and this is where I need a small help from the directors, professor, the team here. Please encourage our students to take this 180-day challenge. Even I invite the teachers and professors and the directors, because this particular concept is used by hundreds of people, even thousands of people in the last months, and they are getting fantastic results. If I open my email now, I will get at least 1 or 2 messages. They're talking the fantastic things they are achieving by committing themselves for 6 months, focusing on 3 skills in their life. Okay, so in next 10 minutes, think about the 3 things that you want to accomplish. I would definitely like to see what 3 things you want to accomplish in your life. Health, what you will do, improve your technical knowledge, improve your communication skill, work for the humanity, work for the betterment of your college, improve your dressing sense. I don't know what all things in your mind. 3 things, 4 hours for next 6 months. 3 things, 4 hours for next 6 months, 720 hours, and you will be the master in that particular field in your area. At least get something on the Nanded level. Then you can easily come on the Maharashtra, then India, then international. Guys, focus is something that I want to tell you. India comes 50th on the innovation list. So guys, we have to understand India is not doing exceptionally well because of one thing. We could not innovate. Just guys, imagine we have to depend a lot on Chinese product and services. Why? Because we cannot do it. You are engineers, you are young, you are bright, you are filled with energy. Why don't you commit 180 days challenge? Please take it and focus, improve your quality of work. Maybe you have to reduce your time. According to one research in America, 7 years of a person's life he or she spends on social media, 2.5 years on YouTube, 2.5 years approximately on Facebook, and remaining on Twitter and other things. Guys, that's a huge thing. Can you imagine more than 10% of your life you're spending on social media? If you can take away some part of your life, some part of your day, and focus on committing yourself, improving yourself, that is your recipe for making you great. More and more people come to me, I am not motivated what to do. More and more people come, I want to improve my communication skill. कितने लोगों को लगता है कि सर मुझे public speaking से डर लगता है, मेरी जान ले लो आप, लेकिन मुझे communication skill के लिए मत बोलो. Guys, there is one thing that is biggest in the demand in America. The last year it was communication skill, and Warren Buffett has said, I am happy to pay someone twice with a good communication skill, because the moment you have good communication skill, you become fantastic in terms of your expressions, you show confidence, you eliminate a lot of reworks, you become a very good into the leadership position, and you start to improve the quality of your interaction with others just because of that one simple technique. My thing for you is very simple. Can we improve the quality of work that we are doing? Okay, my screen is visible to all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But the unfortunate part is right there in front of your screen right now. What you are seeing in the screen, can anybody tell me what you are seeing in front of your screen right now?
Yeah, I can see 2 people with their heads buried in the ground.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. This is our symptom. This is what is happening when the opportunities were knocking. When the opportunities were knocking, we are complaining about the noises. Guys, COVID is a fantastic opportunity to unleash. You can go into the silence, work on your peak performance, work on the quality of life that you want to live, and then come out. This 6 months is given to you so that you can really look into yourself and come out as a most powerful person. Most powerful person that you ever been. This is not the time to get away from the situation. Don't be an escapist. Success is your moral responsibility. Please understand that. Success is your moral responsibility. Success is your moral responsibility. आप failure के लिए नहीं आए हैं. You are here for a very good success in life. I want to show you one small video. Please tell me if you can see it, then I will start. Okay, guys, how we traveling with time? How much time is left?
So we can go till 12:05.
12:05. Okay, so we have 10 minutes more.
So 15 minutes.
15 minutes
Yeah,
more. Fantastic.
15.
Okay. All right. I want to show you this video. Please confirm if you can see it or not. Is the video coming on your screen?
Yes, sir. Like we can hear the sound, but I'm not able to see.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. See, one day I will figure out how to do this. Sorry, guys. I'm just little struggling to bring the things up. Just give me 1 second. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. We can see the video.
So you can see that Roger Federer's face, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Fantastic. Guys, I request you, suggest you, please watch this small video. It is fantastic. And I will tell you the importance of doing this. Let's start with this. Okay.
This enough. I can't stand it watching me throwing rackets and embarrass myself in front of thousands of people in a live stadium. So I tried to change. Quite a transformation from a screaming, racket throwing, swearing, kind of brat on the tennis court to this calm guy you know today.
Okay, guys, so this is such an important message. I want to give you 3 important things here. It is very, very important if you have someone as a coach in your life, as a mentor, as someone where you can take guidance. And this is where we as a nation is falling a lot. There has to be more interaction in terms of understanding the things, knowing what is required and how we can improve our own life. This will help you not to reinvent the wheel. Larry Page, the co-founder of Google, he said, I need a coach because it is always important to have some extra pair of brains thinking for you. Fantastic concept. Albert Einstein, he said that I also need a coach sometimes. Bill Gates had a coach. So my suggestion for you is, if you want to improve and take your performance from here to here, you need a coach. You need someone you can take help. Maybe remotely, maybe through the social media channels, wherever it is. You need to have an understanding that you can keep on improving your own life. That is very, very, very important. I tell you one thing, Newton once was asked how you could achieve so much. How you could achieve so much. And Newton said, the only reason I was able to achieve so much in my life because I was sitting on the shoulders of giants. I was sitting on the shoulder of giant. एक जब छोटा बच्चा अपने पिताजी के कंधे पे बैठकर मेले में जाता है ना, तो पिताजी से भी ज्यादा देखता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी आंखें पिताजी के ऊपर होती है and father's shoulders are available for him. Guys, I want to tell you one thing. This is the time not to reinvent the wheel. Albert Einstein again said, because he's the genius and whatever he has said, it's done. He said, the problems that you commit on one level of your consciousness, you cannot solve it on that consciousness. You have to take it one level up. So I want to tell you again, guys, if you want to make your Bharat Mahan, and for that you have to make yourself flourishing, important, competent, patience, then you have to come up with these 3 C's. The 3 C's. The first one is of confidence, the second is of communication, and the third is of competence. These 3 things are required. And 4th thing that we will work together is about the character. We don't want you to have a high competence and coming into the news for the wrong reasons. We don't want to do it. And we also saying lots and lots of people are suffering because of the depression and anxieties. This is not something that is happening. The important thing here is we have to have a very strong emotional things. And I want to pick one this sloka from Bhagavad Gita that Albert Einstein. Sorry guys, can you please? I want to take this one verse from Bhagavad Gita. This is coming from 3rd chapter, 42nd verse. And this is what Albert Einstein also used. And he owed this to Bhagavad Gita. This is coming from the 42nd verse from Bhagavad Gita. Here Krishna says, Indriyani paranyahur, indriyebhya param manaha. Manasastu para buddhir, yo buddhe parasastu sa. Krishna says the working senses are lower than the dull matter. I'll give a simple example. Okay, I need one simple volunteer. Can anyone volunteer here quickly? Neeraj, Malpani, Gitesh, Tejasvi, Kishore, anyone? I just want to talk to someone quickly. We don't have much time. Who will do that? Please
yes,
go.
Sir.
Sorry, who is this?
Shreyas Raibulesh.
Okay, Shreyas. Shreyas, do you love pizza?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Say, for example, okay, you love pizza, and I asked, Shreyas, what type of pizza you like? He said, I love the extra cheese, thin crust, freshly baked, hot, and maybe extra cheese more and more. Fantastic?
Yes, sir.
I'll get it for you. Okay. Imagine your friend also like pizza. His name is Mahesh, for example. He also loves pizza, and he also loves thin crust. He also loves cheese. He also loves freshly baked and very warm pizza, right? He was about to eat. He was eating it. Suddenly, one of your friend came and says, hey, Mahesh, the result of engineering as the final year is declared. And I'm sorry to say that you failed the exam. Mahesh, who loved pizza, has failed the exam. Shreyas, what do you think? Mahesh will love pizza or not at that time?
Sir, at that time, I think he would really not think about the pizza in his hand.
Okay.
He'll definitely think about the result.
Very nice. Thank you. Can anybody tell me why? Any other person, Shreyas, other than you? Neeraj, Gitesh, Kishore, anyone, guys? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hello, sir.
Yes, who is this?
Hello, Satyam, sir.
सत्यम.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सत्यम ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
उसे चिंता थी, मतलब अपने करियर की वगैरह वगैरह.
चिंता की वजह से. और
हाँ.
चिंता हम कहाँ करते हैं, श्रेयस?
Yes.
In mind.
पहले तुम्हारी सोच कहाँ पर थी?
Mind में.
ज़बान पर थी.
ज़बान पर थी.
ज़बान. अब चिंता, यहाँ से कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़कर कहाँ चली गई?
दिमाग में.
अगर हम माइंड में दुखी है तो बॉडी लेवल पे दुखी सुखी नहीं रह सकते. यस और नो? आज हॉस्पिटल के अंदर ज्यादा लोग बीमारी क्यों लेकर आते मालूम है? माइंड की वजह से, शरीर की वजह से नहीं लेकर आते. सत्यम, लक्षात आला का काय म्हणताय मी?
हो सर.
हाँ, now the problem has gone to the mind from the body. ओके, इसके बाद में और कौन है? अब क्या करना चाहिए फिर? माइंड के अंदर प्रॉब्लम चलेगी, कोई और बताएंगे अब क्या करना चाहिए? इतने देर में उसके पिताजी आए, बोला महेश का बरा चिंता करतो है तुम्ही? मराठी नहीं येत मला, मैं प्रयास करतो है. तू चिंता क्यों करता है? उस समय तेरी तबीयत खराब थी, तू फेल इसलिए हुआ है, तू पढ़ नहीं पाया था और तू सिर्फ 2 नंबर से फेल हुआ है. कितने नंबर से हुआ है? सिर्फ 2 नंबर से. हमारे पास 15 दिन का टाइम है, मैं तेरी हेल्प करूंगा, तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी हेल्प करेंगे. सडनली महेश फिर से खुश हो गया. अब आप में से कोई इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन मुझे बताएगा अब महेश फिर से खुश क्यों हो रहा है? जल्दी से.
Because sir, now he don't have to worry a lot about it.
ओके, ये वरी क्यों नहीं करना पड़ेगा इसको? क्यों नहीं करना पड़ेगा?
सर क्योंकि जो उसको चाहिए, जो उसको पास होना है उस एग्जाम में, अब वो शायद हो जाएगा अगर वो अभी प्रॉपरली मेहनत कर ले तो.
हाँ, तो ये कैसे पता लगा उसको? ये पता कैसे लगा? ये पता कैसे लगा?
सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस
क्वेश्चन है. अगर हम
उसको सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस
सपोर्ट की वजह से.
सॉरी,
सपोर्ट की वजह से.
हाँ, सपोर्ट मिला सर.
कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह से. कहाँ से मिला ये कहाँ से मिला?
उसके पापा से.
पापा ने को कहाँ से मिला?
माइंड से.
सॉरी,
माइंड से.
नहीं, माइंड पर तो हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि माइंड पर रायता फैल चुका है, माइंड में दुख आ चुका है. एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन भैया
सर फादर के एक्सपीरियंस से.
सॉरी,
कोच की वजह से. फादर के एक्सपीरियंस से.
हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस किसका नाम है बताओ जल्दी से. ऑल ऑफ यू आर सेइंग करेक्ट थिंग्स, लेकिन तुम दूर हो. अगर ये चीज आपने आंसर कर दिया, जिंदगी भर आपको कभी भी डिप्रेशन नहीं होगा. जल्दी बोलो, जल्दी. उसके पिताजी की बात, उसके एक्सपीरियंस की बात कौन से लेवल पर है? मेंटल नहीं यार, मेंटल नहीं.
सर उनके
इंटेलिजेंस किसने बोला?
इंटेलिजेंस
किसने बोला?
कुणाल नारखेड़े.
थैंक यू
कुणाल नारखेड़े.
अब वो इंटेलिजेंट बन गया है. पहले ग्रॉस लेवल पे था, जहां पिज्जा खाना था, फिर रिजल्ट आया वहां पे दुखी हो गया. उसके पिताजी ने आके बुद्धिमानी की बातें करी. सो द ग्रॉस इज लोवेस्ट, द मेंटल इज हायर देन दैट, बट मेंटल के ऊपर होता है इंटेलेक्चुअल. राइट? कई बार कुछ लोग जिनको डायबिटीज होती है, उनका मन बोलता है कि यार जल्दी से एक मिठाई खा ले, लेकिन अंदर से आवाज आती है इंटेलेक्ट की, नहीं तेरे को मिठाई नहीं खानी चाहिए. ये इंटेलेक्ट बोलता है. और इंटेलेक्ट लेवल पर भी उसको थोड़ा सा डाउट हो जाता है कि यार पिताजी तो सही बोल रहे हैं, अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो. ये डाउट क्यों आता है? और सॉल्व कैसे हो सकता है? जल्दी बताओ, कोई जल्दी बताओ.
लो कॉन्फिडेंस.
लो कॉन्फिडेंस. ये एक होता है स्पिरिचुअलिटी, जिसको हम माइंडफुलनेस भी कहते हैं, जिसको हम स्ट्रॉन्ग थिंकिंग कहते हैं. और कृष्णा जिन्होंने अभी मैं श्लोक पढ़ के बताया, इंद्रियाणि परण्याहु, इंद्रियाणि परण्याहु, इंद्रियेभ्य परमनः. इंद्रियों से बढ़कर मन है, इंद्रियों से बढ़कर मन है. मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर, मन से बढ़कर बुद्धि है. यो बुद्धे परसस्तु स, और उससे भी बढ़कर है स्पिरिचुअल. तो गाइस, मैं आज आपको खींच कर स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पे ले जाना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि विदेश के अंदर भी सभी लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं. More and more people are worried about the spirituality. More and more people are going to the mindfulness. More and more people are eating according to the Indian way. आपको मालूम है कितने हॉलीवुड एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस, they sit on the floor and eat with hands. उंगलियां, the natural spoon and fork that has been given. तो मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहता हूं कि हमारे पास बहुत बड़ी सभ्यता है, बहुत बड़ी संस्कृति, बहुत बड़े विचार है। मैं ये चाहता हूं कि अगले 6 महीने क्या आप मुझे दे सकते हो? आई एम आस्किंग 6 months and I will change 60 years of your life. Is that a promise? Can we do this? 6 महीने मुझे चाहिए आपसे, और 3 चीजें आपको बतानी है। हर दिन 4 घंटे उस पर काम करना है 6 महीने तक के। You will roar, you will dominate your industry. स्टीव जॉब्स ने तो 10,000 घंटे बोले थे, दैट इज ऑन इंटरनेशनल लेवल। मैं आपको पहले नांदेड़ लेवल पर लेकर आना चाहता हूं। क्या आप में से कोई ऐसा बंदा है जो नांदेड़ लेवल के ऊपर सबसे बढ़िया कोडिंग कर सकता है, सबसे अच्छा मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है, सबसे अच्छा उसके पब्लिक कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है, सबसे अच्छा उसका मैथमेटिकल नॉलेज है? हमें पता करना पड़ेगा, हमें पता करना पड़ेगा व्हाट विल मेक यू ग्रेट। 6 months is the time. Respected directors and teachers, if you are here, I encourage, I request, if children can take this level of commitment for 6 months. I am looking in so many, I interact with so many colleges every week after week. I'm seeing very good results. It improves their confidence, it improves their chances of getting a proper job, it improves their level of commitment, it brings sort of focus, and the character things will happen because they are committing something. Okay, all right. So before I go, I just want to take few minutes about, there are so many things that are going because of the voice things. They are giving this knowledge where the 4 C's are done: the confidence, communication, competence, and character. आपने देखा सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का क्या हुआ, पता ही नहीं लग रहा है कि वो बेचारा खुद मरा, कि लोगों ने मारा, कि त्रास हो गया। आपको ऐसी सक्सेस तो नहीं चाहिए जो आप हैंडल नहीं कर सको। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत has got virtually everything what any person can think of. He was young, smart, dashing, successful, but he could not have emotional strength. Can we work on our own positivity and improve our college? Okay? अगर हम ये कर पाते हैं, इससे हम लाइफ में बहुत आगे जा सकते हैं। This is very, very important for us, and that will help us to improve the quality of our life. Okay, so before you all guys go away, I want to hear yes or no. अगर आप चाहते हो कि 180 day challenge, तो आप ऐसा लिखिए, आप सिर्फ लिखिए yes for 180 day challenge. It is very simple. I want to have some level of commitment. Saurabh, okay, Piyush, Neha, Tripti, Gitesh, Kishore, Panduranga, Indrajit, Abhijit, Pratik, Neeraj, Pratik, and Kunal, all of you are saying yes. Now, please do me a favor. After this, you will get so many things. There will be so many ways that you can connect to me and also the team. I want just 3 sentences after this. Not now, maybe after 1 hour. 3 things that you will focus for next 180 day. आप सुबह 2 घंटा करो, शाम में 2 घंटा करो, रात में 2 घंटा करो, I don't care. 180 day challenge के लिए आपकी 3 चीजें मुझे चाहिए। ऐसी कौन सी 3 चीजों पे आप काम करोगे? Equally divide करके अच्छे से, that will improve the quality of your life. Okay, I want to take few minutes about the what I call as the journey of self-discovery. This is all about you bringing more self level of awareness, making yourself more emotionally strong so that people like things are not happening. Guys, I don't know if you know this, every 40 seconds, 1 person in the whole world commits suicide. So every year we have people who are killing themselves more than others. So for that, we also need a strong emotional bonding, emotional intelligence that will help people to come out of their comfort zone, bring the life that they always wanted to live, and create the world that they always wanted to do. And I would like to appreciate the Voice Club there. They are doing fantastic job. They are making everything available in such a wonderful way that will help them to improve their own level of commitment. So without taking any much time, I would like to take a pause. I have one small request. This particular verse talks about how you could be a good leader. This is a small video. I appreciate if you can watch this video. It is just 3 minutes video. It talks about how you could be a leader, and how the modern people in advertisement industry, in how people into the advertisement industry, into the corporate, they are using this knowledge and becoming leaders. So आपको एक YouTube की link मिल गई होगी guys? Have you got that link? It is just a 3-minute video. I request watch this end to end. That will help you to improve your level of confidence and become a very good leader. Okay? आपको वो link मिल गई? Can you see that link?
Yes, we got it.
It will be wonderful things. So if you love the things that we are doing, please take a moment to like my video, to subscribe to my channel. And Bhargav, anything else that you want me to cover? Am I up to the time, or we have some more time? I'm sorry, I think I've gone 2 or 3 minutes over.
Yes, sir. Anything important you would like to share, you can share.
Okay, I want to take 2 more minutes, because as a speaker, I'm never enough. I want more and more time. Guys, we are given 45 minutes, and the topic that we are covering is huge. We are talking about the greatness of a country that we are coming from. We are not poor. In Mahabharata, it is said, what is the real poverty? दरिद्रता क्या होती है? आपको मालूम है दरिद्रता 2 तरह की होती है. दरिद्रता is someone where the person is not having enough of knowledge. Okay, person could be daridra because of his mind, because of his thinking, because of his money. But the worst kind of poverty is because of the mind. More and more and more people are not achieving things because they think low of themselves. उनकी खुद की सेल्फ एस्टीम अच्छी नहीं होती. आप 1 लीटर की बोतल के अंदर 2 लीटर पानी नहीं भर सकते. You need some spiritual quotients. आपने देखा इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चन से कुछ नहीं होता. इंटेलिजेंट लोग बहुत जल्दी अपने आप को खत्म कर लेते हैं. इमोशनल पीपल आर स्ट्रॉन्गर कंपेयर टू इंटेलिजेंट. लेकिन अब एक आगे है क्राइसिस क्वेश्चन कि हम क्राइसिस में कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए, और इसके ऊपर आगे एक स्पिरिचुअल क्वेश्चन जो जर्नी ऑफ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी है, आप वो करिए. बहुत ही सिंपल, बहुत ही साइंटिफिक तरीके से उसको करा जाता है. द बेस्ट स्पीकर्स इन द कंट्री, दे विल कम एंड डिलीवर द लेक्चर्स. And this is just to make you so powerful and so important, because the most important thing that India has got is the spirituality that has come from the scriptures that are there. Scriptures के अंदर जो लिखा है, साइंटिस्ट लेटर ऑन प्रूव कर रहा है कि वो सत्य हो रहा है. साइंटिस्ट के हिसाब से सरस्वती रिवर का एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं था, लेकिन हमारे शास्त्रों में, महाभारत में, ऋग्वेद में स्पेशली लिखा गया है कि सरस्वती है. और इंडिया ने और फ्रांस के साथ मिलकर उन्होंने एक स्टडी करी और एक रिवर बेड का पता लगाया जिसका डायरेक्शन एंड फ्लो इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. जो नॉलेज हम आज मॉडर्न समय में देख रहे हैं, इट वाज ऑलरेडी विथ अस. Guys, it is your responsibility, it is my responsibility, it is everyone's responsibility in this forum to give that 180-degree day challenge that will change your life 180 degree. कितने सारे लड़के और लड़के मेरे पास में आती है, they are suffering from depression. Guys, इंडिया थोड़ा लोअर है इनोवेशन इंडेक्स में. इसी वजह से हमें आसपास के देशों पर डिपेंड रहना पड़ता है इंपोर्ट्स के लिए, हमारे टीवी के लिए, हमारे मोबाइल्स के लिए, हमारे इक्विपमेंट्स के लिए. क्या हम नहीं कर सकते? If you join spirituality with your innovative mindset, it can create wonders. हमने एक पिज़्ज़ा के एग्जांपल से पता कर लिया है कि if we can improve our knowledge and take it from the gross level to mental level to intellectual level to spiritual level, not many people can compete. A very high percentage of people in Microsoft, they are from India. A very high percentage in Google, very, very high percentage in Apple. The world 3 most important companies, they are using the brains of Indians. So why can't we do it right here in India? India is changing. India has changed. And if you want to be the change, you have to improve to the rate of learning. Okay. My last thing before all you go, guys, before you all go, I want to tell you one thing. Think big, start small, act now. think big, start small, act now. लोग गलती क्या करते हैं? Think big, they want to act bigger, and they can take action never. So my suggestion for you is think big, start small. छोटे से शुरू करते हैं. Actually, I got a message, Shreyas, sir, we can do it so that our country, so that we can do it other countries. Example, trends the work for NASA and ISRO over research team and contributions. So yes, ISRO is a very good example. I request all of you to please watch this, understand the best thing that you can take it from here. I was trying to be a little quick. I want to cover more and more of the ground so that you get the best of the knowledge. And there are so many things that will be happening one after the another. I want you to take active participation. This is the changed world, because the world that you are seeing around, the world that you are interacting around is a different world. If you don't know who is your employer, who are your customers, you have to have an extra bandwidth to learn newer and newer things. So with that, I really take a pause and I wait if there are any questions or suggestions. Anything else? All right, so
Hello.
Okay.
Sir, we can see that India is now the youngest in the world, but these youngest peoples are going after 50-70 years. These are going to be old. So how value education is more important in our society?
Okay. Yes. See, value education is more important because understanding the technology is relatively easy. Okay. If I tell you that you have to learn the integration or differentiation, and if I give you 2 hours of coaching, maybe you would be able to do this. Okay. Now the important thing here is we have to stay with the values, and it all starts with your home. आपने शुरू में देखा होगा ना, बचपन में आपको बोला जाता था कि मेहनत करोगे तो आगे बढ़ोगे, झूठ बोलना गलत बात है, अपने से बड़ों की इज्जत करो, जो अपने पास है उसी में खुश रहो। या मैं बचपन में वैल्यू दी जाती है। अगर आपकी वैल्यू सिस्टम अच्छा है, इससे आप चॉइसेस अच्छी करते हो। भविष्य के अंदर आपको कहीं पर चोरी की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, किसी का आईफोन दिखता है, अगर आपको चाहिए होगा, आप जैसे जेब में रखोगे, अंदर से एक आवाज आएगी, चोरी करना बुरी बात है। ये क्यों आता है कि हमें उस समय बहुत ही अच्छा कुछ करने का होता है, उस समय हमारे बचपन के याद आ जाती है कि चोरी करना बुरी बात है। अगर आपका वैल्यू सिस्टम अच्छा है, आपकी चॉइसेस अच्छी रहेगी। अगर आपने चॉइसेस अच्छी रही है तो आपके डिसीजंस भी अच्छे रहेंगे। आपका डिसीजंस अच्छे रहे तो आपका कैरेक्टर अच्छा होगा। अगर आपका कैरेक्टर अच्छा रहा तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा, क्योंकि आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो। एक रिसर्च के हिसाब से पाया गया है, the most competent people are one who think they are doing the right things. The most competent people are the one who thinks they are doing the right thing. तो आपसे भी मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि अपने अंदर एक वैल्यू सिस्टम जनरेट करिए जो कि एक स्टडी चीज पर बना हो, ऐसा नहीं कि चेंज हो रहा हो। और इसलिए मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि आपकी लाइफ में एक मेंटर लाइए, आपके टीचर से बात करिए, आपका वैल्यू एजुकेशन करिए जो आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं। रॉजर फेडरर अपना एंगर मैनेजमेंट को कंट्रोल करा, चिल्लाता था, गालियां देता था वो कोर्ट के ऊपर रहकर, लेकिन बाद में हाथ जोड़कर बात करने लग गया। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके लाइफ में कोच आया। तो मैं भी आपको बोलता हूं कि आपकी लाइफ में भी एक कोच लेकर आइए, एक मेंटर लेकर आइए, उससे हो पाएगा। ठीक है। देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस कमिंग ऑन डायरेक्शन ऑन 180 डे चैलेंज। मैं आपको एक सिंपल सी बात बताता हूं। 180 डे चैलेंज इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल। द ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज डू व्हाट द जीनियस इन योर इंडस्ट्रीज आर डूइंग। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको लगता है कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल वीक है, आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल पे काम करना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप उन लोगों के पास जाएंगे जिनकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल स्ट्रांग है। वो किस तरह से रहते हैं, किस तरह से बात करते हैं, उनके ड्रेस कैसे रहते हैं, उनके शब्द कैसे रहते हैं, किस तरह से उनकी वोकैबुलरी इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। अगर आप भी वही चीज फॉलो करेंगे तो आप में भी उसी लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। वो ज्यादा बुक्स पढ़ते हैं। आपको जान के आश्चर्य होगा, एवरेज अमेरिकन रीड 19 बुक्स एवरी ईयर अकॉर्डिंग टू रीडर डाइजेस्ट, एंड एवरेज इंडियन रीड 0.2 बुक्स एवरी ईयर। तो हम एक इंडियन को 5 साल लग जाते हैं एक बुक कंप्लीट करने के लिए। अगर आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इंप्रूव करनी है, आपको 5 चीजें करनी होगी। You need to improve your body language. You need to dress it well. You need to have more and more things that you can start to relate. Okay, you need to improve the quality of your vocabulary in your day-to-day life. Okay, मेरा एक छोटा सा वीडियो है, मैं आपको लिंक शेयर कर सकता हूं आप चाहो तो, जिसके अंदर मैं आपको 9 मिनट्स के अंदर 125 वर्ड्स याद करा दिए। अगर आपके पास में हर दिन एक एक 2-2 मिनट है तो आप एक हफ्ते के अंदर 100 नए वर्ड्स याद कर सकते हैं। जस्ट गिव मी 1 सेकंड, आई share that link with you. You can learn 125 words in just 9 minutes. In just 9 minutes, you can learn okay, मैंने अभी एक और भेज तृप्ति वानखेड़े, तो आप have you got that link for that YouTube where that vocabulary is there? Okay, तो it depend करता है कि आप 180 डे में आपके 3 चैलेंजेस क्या लेना चाहते हो, जो आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, एकेडमिक लाइफ को इंप्रूव कर सकते हो। कुछ लोग शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड रहते हैं तो उनको एंगर मैनेजमेंट पे करना चाहिए। गुस्सा कम से कम आए उसके लिए भी बताया गया हाउ टू ओवरकम योर एंगर। अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका फिजिक वीक है, आप दुबले पतले हो, आपके चलने में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, तो यू शुड टेक सम एक्सरसाइजेस, यू शुड ईट हेल्थी फूड और प्रॉपर डाइटिशियन को फॉलो करिए। यूट्यूब पर देखिए, अगर आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते पे करना, यूट्यूब के ऊपर सब कुछ अवेलेबल है। आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग, जो भी आपकी एक्सपर्टीज है, जिस फील्ड में भी आपको जाना है, उसके लिए आपको उस फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट से बात करना पड़ेगी। ठीक है पूजा, एम आई मेकिंग सेंस? सर व्हाट इज नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग? आई एम सॉरी, ये थोड़ा क्वेश्चन इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए रेलेवेंट नहीं है, हम इस पे बाद में भी बात कर सकते हैं। नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग इज वेयर यू स्टार्ट टू वर्क ऑन वन थिंग एंड यू स्टार्ट टू प्रमोट अ चैनल। ओके, this is a different concept. We just focus ourselves on something very simple.
Sir, so
okay,
yes, thank you, sir. So we will take these kind of questions now. The student can ask questions. We will provide you the link, mail ID of sir also. So I think so there are some announcements. So if Anand Munshi sir, is it okay to have now announcements?
Yeah, please. Am I done? So may I allowed to leave now or I have to stay? What?
Yes, so thank you, sir, for your very inspirational and very enlightening lecture for all the students. So,
okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate all the best things for you, and I would be very happy to in touch with you. Abhijit, Mane, Mukund, please focus on 180-day challenge. Please provide them link to my thing. And actually I will share you my WhatsApp group so they can become a part of it. So that's not a problem. There are so many ways that you can connect. Thank you very much. May God bless you all. And once again, happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I request all the students that there is a very wonderful video that we are going to show at the end of this announcements. So I am going to do 2-3 minutes. Like there are some announcement. After that, the very wonderful video. So I request all the students kindly be online till the end. So it will complete in less than 10 minutes. So I request all the students to be online. Okay, so I'm going